Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. Coming in at number 35, we have Tristan Walker of Bevel, and it's on this list for providing tailored health and beauty products for people of color. Let's check out an interview with Tristan Walker.
So Bevel is the first and only end-to-end shaving system designed specifically for men with coarse curly hair. It's a 6-piece kit which includes our single blade double-edged safety razor.
It's beautiful.
Cuts the hair level with your skin instead of beneath it in one clean cut. We have a priming oil, shaving cream, restoring balm, all of which have proprietary formulations to rid men of these issues. It's clinically proven to work. So if you have any kind of razor bump shaving irritation, it'll reduce it up to 50% within 4 weeks.
I wanted to fundamentally feel like I was the best person in the world to solve that problem. It stemmed out of 2 views of the world that I had and continue to have that I think few people where I'm from now in Silicon Valley understand. The first really pertains to this idea of culture. I have this fundamental belief all global culture is led by American culture, which is led by black culture in the US. And you think about food and music and dance, etc. And a big frustration of mine is my living in an earliest adopting region in the world, and it knows nothing about the earliest adopting culture, right? Like that discord doesn't make any sense to me. And then the second view of the world that I had pertained to this experience that I've had for the past 14, 15 years of my life until Walker & Company was founded. And that's in the health and beauty space. And I always kind of reconcile this experience that I have. And if you've ever heard me speak about this, I talk about this experience ad nauseum because it's an important one for everyone to understand. It's this experience of always going to these retailers, having to go to aisle 16, right? It's this ethnic aisle. But the irony about the ethnic aisle is that it's like next to the beauty aisle. And it's not ever an aisle, right? It's only a shelf in the back. And it's usually on like the right side in the back. And when I want to buy a product, I always have to reach to the bottom of that shelf. And the package is always dirty. Right? There's a photo of like some really old dude with jerry curls, like petting a tiger, drinking a cognac, right? And like that's crazy to me, specifically when you consider how culturally influential demographic we are, how much money we spend on this stuff. And when we loop in Latino Asian consumers, we're the majority not only of the world, right? But we will be the majority of the country in 20, 30 years. So I was like, wow, like I have a unique insight on this thing. Let me put those 2 views of the world together to build a very special health and beauty products company focused uniquely on the needs of people of color. And Walker & Company was born out of that.
Hey, great insight. And I tell you what, he's coming from a top college at Stanford Business School. He's partnered with Nas to bring the Bevel trimmer to market. And that's what creative leaders do. Link up with people with great influence and great things happen. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.